It's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. Features include auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, Vortec engine, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.